Hey guys, Mongo here. Just giving you a quick update on Bitcoin and the overall crypto market. Starting with the weekly here, have our first red dot in a while. Money flow is starting to come out. VWAP's heading down, so likely a nice pullback, which we've been expecting for a while. I'd like to come back and retest the 38,000 mark, which is also the point of control from the last bull market. So I'll literally just extend that over. Come back down, consolidate, let all the indicators reset. Lower time frames are a little more bullish than the weekly. 3 day, 3 day, you're in a nice bull flag on this uptrend. So we continue higher most likely once we come down and cool off a little bit. General indicators are pointing in between 40,000 and 38,000 as the bottom for this move. Just kind of wait and see. 2 day, money flow is still high, but it's starting to curve down. VWAP is undecided on the 2 day. 1 day, money flow is still thick, still above the 40 line on the market cipher B indicator. Anytime you have the VWAP underneath the zero line for quite a long time, when it comes back up, it's usually a very strong move, as you can see here, as it did. When it came back up, it did a move of roughly 10%. So yeah, it's possible we have another 10% move, another 10% move once this comes back up. And let's say we're down at the, let's be conservative, say we're sitting at 42. 10% move puts us up at, of course I can't see it, puts us up at 46 and change. So we have options expirations at the end of the week. Apparently max paying price is 38,000, but we've got a ton of, the majority of the options are expiring at $47,000 to $50,000. So it's going to be a coin toss on who can push up the price or push it down for whatever reason. Moving down to the 12-hour. Nice green dot in the 12-hour. That was that reaction from the dump we had. Nice little buyback. 6-hour. Finding resistance from the 20 EMA. So we're likely going to have another pullback and then hopefully another move higher. Same thing on the 5-hour, 4-hour. 4 hours got a dip-de-do, so I probably had another, again, pullback, retracement, come down to this top of this trend line, 42,000-ish. Retest some of the value areas we left behind. 2-hour. 2-hour, we still have some room to come up, but I think we're going to reject somewhere in the 34.3 to 34.5 range and then come back down again. And again, it'll allow some of the indicators on the shorter term to kind of reset. Potential bull flag here in the next hour. Again, I still projecting some kind of short potential somewhere in this range, probably in the 886 or the 786 range. Yeah, either one of these will be good, somewhere in this general vicinity. 43,398.91 and 43,590 are, again, it's a range. I can't give financial advice. That's what I'm looking at. 24-minute, again, more of a bull flag. Money flow's coming back in, so I'm curious to see if New York just pushes price up. 12-minute, money flow is definitely coming back in. Curious to see what happens here in the near short term. We are in a bull flag, like I just said. Bullish CVD, but not much bullish on market cipher B. XO is showing a ton of shorts getting either squeezed and or dropping out, so that's helping the longs push up. So probably one more consolidation, come back down and retest 42.9 in this general vicinity. And it's probably somewhere around the 50 retracement mark as well. Yep, between 50 and 50. 0.58 fib, I like that one as well. I've added that as well as the 0.44 fib. Asia seems to react well to those as well as the 0.886 fib. So that's all I have for you. Nothing I give you is financial advice. We have an interesting cool down period. We have CNBC broadcasting basically Coinbase and other stuff on their homepage. So crypto is in the news, and when crypto is in the news, usually it's bearish. So as you can see, my TPO sensor just picked back up. So the value area high is kind of where I'm expecting a retest. So hold this area. In general, it's very bullish. We lose this, expect a flush stack down to retest some of the stuff from the last dip. So we have a lot of value area gaps down in here we haven't filled yet. So that's potential. We come back down, do a CDW, let things reset, let the sellers sell, and then we bounce. So again, nothing I say is financial advice. Best of luck. If you want to talk to me, come over to the DHedge